So today we are going to talk about one of the best fruit which has the medicinal property and which is good as a fruit, as a food and as a medicine, and that fruit is called Amla. Amla in English, Indian gooseberry, and in Latin Phyllanthus umbilica. If you get my newsletter, you will read in this newsletter that at least 19 big researchers I quoted in my newsletter this week, in which you can see along with references that how much modern scientific community is saying it is good for almost all chronic problems, including chemo prevention and so many things. You can read that. I want to tell that what Shastras are saying about Amalki. I have selected 5 famous names, famous synonym for Amalki, and I will describe those names because in Vedic science, name, they mean exactly what they are for. So first very famous name for Amalki, of course I always use the generic Amla, wild Amla. I don't believe in hybridized Amla or genetically modified Amla, because if we need these properties what I am talking about from the Shastras, we have to know that Shastras are also recommending non-manipulated energy. They don't want any manipulation, any corruption in the prabhava, in the energy of the herbs. That's why we are talking all about wild Amla. So first name is Amalaki. Amalaki. I remember in my article I mentioned that Amalaki means it's Amla. It has 5 tastes. We have 6 tastes in Ayurveda. Madhur, Amla, Lavan, Katu, Tikta, Kashai. Madhur is sweet, Amla is sour, Lavan is salt, Katu is pungent, Tikt is bitter, and Kasai is astringent. It's Amla predominant, it's a sour predominant, but it has 5 tastes. Only 1 taste is not there in Amla, which is the salty taste. We have 5 tastes otherwise. Because this is a Amla predominant, sour predominant, that's why we call Amalki. But this is just based on the rasa. I remember now that what my father, when he took me under the tree of Amalki, loaded with the wild Amla, because I belong from Jharkhand state, we have a lot of Amla trees there. He says, Amalki means, A means no, A here for emphasis, no mala. Mala means the waste product, like, when we digest food, we make fecal matter, then urine, sweat, nail, hair. So Amala, it takes, the way it enhances the digestion and metabolism, the way it is supporting the Agni of the stomach and liver and the dhatus, no mala. Or even the malas, which is naturally, you have to have mala, but there is no mala in the mala, no ama, no biological toxins. This the second meaning of Amla. See, one word means a lot. You have to know a little more, like father did. Then the third thing what my father told about Amla, it is even more amazing, because we in Sakavansi Ayurveda, we believe in the vibrational energy and vibrational energy of the soul, the light, the sattva. And I always talk about the sound, which is directly related to the silence, and our consciousness is filled with starts with the then become e, u, all. The origin of the sound means origin of the universe. So what he told me, it's very amazing that it can even clean the consciousness, clean the light of the soul. Mala, no any bad bugs can stay in your light of the soul if you use the wild amla in a proper way, in a proper proportion. Like always we say, we have been talking about this verse, Ahar Suddhi, Sattva Suddhi. It's a bigger statement that it can clean the light of the soul. But the Shastra says, Upanishad says that if you have a clean diet, clean food, vibrationally clean food, then it can clean your sattva, clean your light of the soul. That's the sattvic food. And that's why amalaki is one of the most sattvic fruit which can take care of your karma. That's what means in nutshell. The another name is Amrita. Very few fruits, very few herbs are designated this name Amrita. A means no, Mrita means death. No Mrita means which can give you healthy, happy, longest life. Amrita. The third name is Vayastha. Vayastha means which can keep you young. Stay in the younger means stop aging. Vayastha. Then the other name is Dhatri, which nourishes you like mother feeds you the breast milk. Dhatri means it's a mateva hitakarni, just like a mother's milk. It's so pure, so good, so clean, so nice, just like a mother's milk. Nurtures you like mother's milk. The last one, what name I have collected here, Tisya Phala. Tisya Phala means which is taking care, which is getting rid of the bad vibration from your body, which is giving you auspiciousness, which is creating an auspicious situation in your body, so there is no mistake there. What it does, it connects your mind, connects your manobuddhi to the satya buddhi, connects your mind to the light of the soul. So your mind nurtures, get nourishment. You will see a lot of research about how it nourishes the mind. It's a medhya also. So Tisya Phala, which is making your body, your thoughts, your action all auspicious. Why not? Because it is cleaning your light of the soul. Amala, Amala. So these are the 5 famous names for Amla. And it is specifying all 3 dosas. All 3 dosas. It's a perfect 3 dosa specifying fruit. Vat, Pitta and Kapha. All 3 dosas. So what it says, because it has 5 rasa and the vipak, the after digestive taste is sweet. So when you chew amla or my wild amla tablet and sip some water, immediately the mouth, the saliva will be sweeter, because even with little bit touch with the saliva, it changes the pH from sour to alkaline, from sour to sweet, from acidic to alkaline. That's why it is specifying 3 dosas. First says that it is specifying vata because it's a amla rasa. Amla rasa, the sour rasa, is specifying vata. And it has madhur rasa also, sweet rasa also, and it is also vipak also sweet. So these 2 rasas, amla rasa and madhur rasa, both are specifying vata. And also it's a nurturing. Anything is nourishing is specified vata, because if you go in deficiency of anything, then vata goes high. It's a rasayana. All the rasayana herbs are specifying vata. Rasayana means yat jara vyadhi nasanam tad rasayanam, which is taking away aging and the disease, is rasayan. Its prabhav is rasayan. And then it is specifying kapha because astringent, it's scraping, astringent taste, kasai rasa is scraping, cleaning the channels. So it opens the channel, the kapha goes down. And it is ruksha also. It's not clogging, it's a drying. It's wherever the more kapha is there, the ruksha guna, the drying guna goes and it dries up. The kapha is low then. Kapha is being pacified. And then pitta pacifying. Pitta is a hot. Pitta is a hot dosha. Yes. Agni. Agneya dosha. Because it is Sita guna, it has a cooling property, that's why it is specifying Pitta. And sweet is always specifying Pitta. Now we know that it is a sweet rasa and a sweet vipak. After digest also, it has one of the sweet rasa. Amla rasa is also there, sweet rasa is also there, yes. But the vipak, the ultimate, after digestion it becomes sweet. That's why it is specifying Pitta also. So that's why it is 3 dosa specifying. But one thing we have to understand. This Amla has a very powerful kind of vitamin C, which is, the scientist has given different name because vitamin C is very heat sensitive. But Amla is not heat sensitive. We cook, make chawanprash. We cooked, make amla and tamarind ketchup today because it can handle the heat. It's a very special kind of vitamin C. They are trying to give them another name because molecular structure is almost same but little different, and because it can handle the heat. Doesn't decompose in the heat like ascorbic acid can. So that's why this amla is this powerful. And you have to always see, do not use any hybridized amla. And do not use amla, it has been gone through benzene and hexene extraction process, because as you know, it's a divine herb, divine fruit. It reaches to the, if it is pure, if it is nicely made without interrupting the vibration of rasayana, vibration of cleaning the sattva, amala, then only it is going to provide you all these properties. Thank you.